Hi everyone. Today start now the new article is the integrator. Okay. In that a circuit in which the output voltage waveform is the integral of the input voltage waveform is the integral or the integration amplifier. Okay. That means in this type of the circuit which gives the output voltage waveform or output waveform is the integral of the input voltage waveform is the integral or the integration amplifier. Such a circuit is obtained by using a basic inverting amplifier configuration. That means in this type of the article used in a inverting configuration of a operational amplifier. Okay. So output gives to the output voltage waveform is the integral of the input voltage waveform. Okay, is the integral or integration amplifier using the inverting configuration of operational amplifier. If the feedback resistor REF, okay, in the feedback resistor always used in another circuit used REF resistor is the feedback resistor. Feedback means the output is connected to the input through the resistor. This resistor is called as a feedback resistor. REF is placed by a capacitor CF. So in this integrator circuit using the feedback resistor replaced in the capacitor, that means the feedback capacitor here CF. Okay, shows the figure. Okay, see the figure all of you. Here main part of the circuit diagram is the operational amplifier. Here two inputs, inverting and non-inverting. Non-inverting input is the grounded and input is applied to the inverting terminal, that is the V in voltage, that is the V2 terminal through the R1 resistor. Output is connected to the input terminal in a operational amplifier through the CF resistor. CF is the feedback capacitor resistor. Okay, and output is connected to the one load resistor and output is measured to the across the load resistor. Okay, in that the expression for the output voltage V0 can be obtained by writing the Kirchhoff's current equation at node V2. Okay, in this diagram connected two nodes V1 node and V2 node. V1 node is the non-inverting terminal, V2 node is the inverting terminal. Current flowing through the non-inverting terminal is the VB1 and non-inverting terminal current flowing is the amount of the IB1. So here at a node V2 right now the applying Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, so equation gives to the I1 is equal to IB plus IF. Okay, equation is the I1 is equal to I1 is the input voltage, input current is equal to IB. IB is the V1 node current and IF is the feedback current. Okay, so in that equation IB is negligibly small. Okay, IB voltage is the small, hence right now the I1 is approximately equal to the IF. So input voltage is approximately equal to the feedback current. Input current is approximately equal to the feedback current. Recall that the relationship between current through and voltage across capacitor. Recall that the relationship between the current through and voltage across capacitor is right now the current is the IC. IC is the capacitor current is equal to C dVc upon dt. Okay, in integration format, V in minus V2 upon R1 is equal to CF d in bracket V2 minus V0 upon dt. However, in that equation V2 is approximately 0 because of the A is the very large. A means the gain of the given circuit. Okay, is a very large because of the V2 node voltage is approximately equal to 0. Okay, so right now the equation V in upon R1 is equal to CF d in bracket minus V0 upon dt. Okay, the output voltage can be obtained by integrating both sides with respect to time. Okay, with respect to time, that is the 0 to t, phi integration of 0 to t phi in upon r1 dt is equal to integration of 0 to t cf, t is the time, okay, cf d in bracket minus phi 0 upon dt into dt. Right now the equation here, integration 0 to t here cancel, cf in bracket minus phi 0 plus c. Okay, so here right now the equation output voltage is equal to minus 1 upon r1 cf integration of 0 to t time phi in dt plus c. These are the equation number 1, or here right now the equation number A. Here c is the integration integration constant. In that equation c is the integration constant and is proportional to the value of output voltage V0. इंटिग्रेशन कॉन्स्टंट जो सी कॅपॅसिटर असेल तो कशाशी प्रपोर्शनल असणार आहे, प्रपोर्शनल टू द आउटपुट व्होल्टेज V0 ॲट टाइम t इज इक्वल टू 0 सेकंड्स. ओके, t इज इक्वल टू टाइम 0 सेकंड्स proportional to the output voltage. Okay, here right now the equation A gives to the equation A indicates that this equation A is indicates that the output voltage V0 is directly proportional to the negative integral of the input voltage. Okay, negative integral of the input voltage and inversely proportional to the time constant. Okay, that means in this equation A output voltage हे कशाशी डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल असणार आहे, कशाशी इन्व्हर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल असणार आहे, तर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द निगेटिव्ह इंटिग्रल ऑफ द इनपुट व्होल्टेज. इनपुट व्होल्टेजशी निगेटिव्ह काय असणार आहे, ते डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल असणार आहे, इन्व्हर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द टाइम कॉन्स्टंट. टाइम कॉन्स्टंट इज t इज इक्वल टू 0. Okay, here figure B and C. Okay, in a V in 0 volt gives to the one square wave and output voltage is the triangular wave. Here slope is the 1 v upon 3 and time is the second. And C figure is the input gives the sine wave and output gives the totally opposite 180 degree of the out of phase. Okay, and for example if the input is a sine wave, the output will be minus cosine wave. Okay, in the figure C, here input voltage is the sine wave applied and output voltage used to be the minus cosine wave. Minus cosine wave means the out of the 180 degree. Okay, or if the input is a square wave, when here input apply the square wave, the output will be a triangular waveform. Okay, as shown in the figure B. बी फिगरमध्ये काय आहे, जेव्हा आपण इनपुट स्क्वेअर वेव्ह देणार आहे तेव्हा आउटपुटला आपल्याला काय भेटणार आहे, ट्रायंग्युलर वेव्ह भेटणार आहे. आणि जेव्हा इन सी फिगर जेव्हा आपण इनपुटला साइन वेव्ह देणार आहे तेव्हा आउटपुटला आपल्याला काय भेटणार आहे, तर निगेटिव्ह कोसाइन वेव्ह. दॅट मीन्स द 180 डिग्री आउट ऑफ फेज. जेव्हा आपण पॉझिटिव्ह देणार आहे तेव्हा आउटपुटला निगेटिव्ह भेटणार आहे. ओके, इन दॅट note that these the waveform are drawn with the assumption that the R1 CF is equal to 1 second. Resistor and feedback capacitor CF is assume that the 1 second and phi output voltage out is equal to 0 volt. That is the C is equal to 0. Okay, assume that the R1 CF is equal to 1 second and phi O out is equal to 0 volt, that is the C is equal to 0. When the input voltage phi in is equal to 0, the integrator of figure A. Okay, integrator of the figure A, see the here integrator of the figure A in the first figure of the basic inverting amplifier configuration. Okay, in that when the phi in is equal to 0, the integrator figure A where whatever as an open loop amplifier. This is because the CF acts as an open circuit. Okay, in that the CF is the feedback capacitor is acts as an open circuit. Okay, that means the XCF is equal to infinity. That means the open circuit to the input offset voltage phi 0. That means the output voltage phi O, and the part of the input part of the output current changing CF produces the error voltage at the output of the integrator. Okay, that means in that the part of the output current, okay, charging CF, that means the here capacitor used in a charging and discharging purpose. Okay, CF capacitor charging produces the error voltage at the output. When the charging capacitor, then output gives to the sometimes of the errors, okay, gives to the output the integrator. Okay, therefore practical into greater is shown in this figure below to reduce the error voltage of the आउटपुट. जेव्हा आपण आपल्याला आउटपुटच्या व्होल्टेजमध्ये एरर भेटणार आहे किंवा व्हेन द चार्जिंग द कॅपॅसिटर देन गिव्स टू द आउटपुट इन अ समटाइम्स एरर, दीज एरर्स इज reduced by using in practically new connections. A resistance RF is connected across the feedback. ओके, कॅपॅसिटर CF, जेव्हा आपण CF हा फीडबॅकला दिला आहे त्याच्याशी पॅरलल आपण काय कनेक्ट करणार आहे तर वन फीडबॅक रेजिस्टर हा कनेक्ट करणार आहे RF. सी द फिगर ह्याच्यामध्ये कनेक्ट केलेला आहे. दस द RF लिमिट्स द लो फ्रिक्वेन्सी गेन. ओके, हिअर RF हा आपण कुठं कनेक्ट केलेला आहे सेम ॲज इट इज फिगर आहे. याच्यामध्ये फीडबॅक आउटपुट हे इनपुटला कनेक्ट करताना जो CF कॅपॅसिटर कनेक्ट केला त्याच्याशी पॅरलल हा RF रेजिस्टर यूज केलेला आहे. दस द RF लिमिट्स द लो फ्रिक्वेन्सी गेन अँड हेन्स द मिनिमाइज the variation in the output voltage. Okay, so see the figure. Operational amplifier non-inverting terminal is the ground by using one resistor R1 is equal to ROM. Okay, and in that the inverting terminal apply the input voltage through the R1 resistor and output is connected to the inverting terminal through the one capacitor CF and one resistor RF. That means the feedback capacitor and feedback resistor. Okay, and as well as the output connected one load resistor. Okay, and output is measure the across the load resistor. Okay, in that the frequency response of the basic integrator is shown in that the figure. This figure AB is the frequency at which the gain is 0 decibel and is given as gives to the FB. Okay, in the feedback is equal to 1 upon in the frequency is equal to 1 upon 2 pi R1 CF. These are the equation number 1. Okay, so in that the both the stability and the low frequency both of problems can be converted by the addition of a feedback resistor. Okay, in that shows the figure of the practical integration. The frequency response of the practical integration or integrator in that figure shows the in that the dash line in this figure F is some relative operating frequency, and for frequency F to FA the gain is RF upon R1 is constant. However, for F0 the gain decreases at the rate of 20 decibel or decade. In other words, between FA and FB in that figures in a practical output graphical practical is the between the FA and FB. The circuit in the figure of practical integrator acts as a integrator. Okay, in that the gain limiting frequency FA is gives to the FA is equal to 1 upon 2 pi RF CF. Okay, see the practical graphical in that the gives to the gain is the decibel and relative frequency is the hertz. Okay, in a different frequency relative frequencies in a x axis 10 F 10 square F 10 cube F 10 fourth F. These are the different relative frequencies in a hertz, and in a y axis gain decibel 20 40 60 difference between the 20 decibels. Okay, in that the one straight line is the basic integrator response. These are the straight line is the basic integrator response, or in that consist of the ideal response of practical integrator, ideal response of the practical integrator, as well as the RF upon R1 decibel to 3 decibel. Okay, in that the actual response practical integrator in that gives the different types of the responses in a different type of the relative frequencies as well as the gain. When the frequencies increases, then gain is the also linearly increases of the ideal line, but in that practically smoothly increase then constant of the gain. Okay, when the frequencies increases then constant of the gain. Generally the value of fa in the turn RF CF values would be selected such that FA is less than of the FB. For example, if FA is equal to FB upon 10, then the RF is equal to 10 R1. Okay, in that, in fact, the input signal will be integrated properly if the time period T of the signal is larger than or equal to RF-CF. Okay, that is the time T is greater than and equal to RF feedback resistor and feedback capacitor, where in that RF-CF is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FA. Okay, in that the integrator is most commonly used in analog computers and analog to digital conversion and signal wave shaping circuits. Okay, in this type of the integrator connections is most commonly used in analog components. Okay, and analog to digital converter, that means the ADC, and signal wave shaping circuits. Okay, these are the integrator circuit. Is the very simple circuit. In that the firstly main point is the using the feedback capacitor. Okay, ह्याच्यामध्ये काय केलेलं आहे तर आउटपुट व्होल्टेज वेवफॉर्म इज द इंटिग्रल ऑफ द इनपुट वेवफॉर्म इज द इंटिग्रल और इंटिग्रेशन एम्प्लीफायर. इन दैट used in a basic inverting amplifier or configuration of the operational amplifier. Okay, when the capacitor is charging, then output voltage is changeable. So used in that the feedback resistor in a parallel to the feedback capacitor. Okay, in that the input when input is applied to the square wave, then output gives to the triangular wave, and when input applies the sine wave, then output gives to the minus cosine wave. Okay, that means the input applied to the positive, then output goes to the negative 180 degree out of phase. Okay, so here in this figure shows practically used one feedback resistor parallel to the feedback capacitor. Okay, then output gives to the different types of the frequencies. Okay, FA and FB. Okay, when in ideally frequencies increases, then gain is the linearly increases, but in that practically shows the frequencies increases, then gain is the increases and then constant. Okay, then output gives to the time is greater than equal to the frequency feedback resistor and feedback capacitor, and where the RF-CF is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FA. Okay, and in this type of the integrator circuit is most commonly used in the analog components, analog to digital conversion, that means the ADC, and signal wave shaping of the circuits. Okay, this article is the very simple article. I think this article is the here completed. You got it. I think all of you सगळ्यांना समजलेलं हे आर्टिकल. आय थिंक खूप सिम्पल आर्टिकल आहे, काही अवघड नाही आहे याच्यामध्ये. ओके, दिस आर्टिकल इज द कम्प्लीटेड हिअर. आय थिंक स्टॉप हिअर. थँक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.